Hi, my name is Steve Baer, and I'm the Chief Creative Officer for the Game Agency. I'm so glad that you found us. I assume you're looking for a way to make your training more engaging, more effective, and a lot more fun. Well, you've come to the right place. The Training Arcade is our cornerstone product and was created to help trainers easily put their content into a library of games, including the only official Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune game, and to launch them in minutes. Our Arcades platform is a hub for all players and all games. Players can play single player games, they can go head to head, they can play team play, they can collect badges, they can collect real world prizes, they can do daily missions, they can do learning journeys, and they can compete for the global leaderboard. If you have a team, it's all about the leaderboard. Arcades is the ultimate gamification solution for corporate training. Now, you're looking at an online form and you're not sure what to do. You don't know what happens after you fill out this form. You're concerned about giving us your contact information, and we get it. Our inboxes are pretty full too. So here's what happens after you fill out the form. You'll be directed to an online scheduling page where you'll schedule a 30-minute meeting with one of our sales executives. All of our sales executives focus on key industries. In this call, they'll demo the Training Arcade and Arcades for you. They'll show you from both the learner perspective as well as the back-end admin perspective, and you'll see just how easy it is to use. If you like what you see, and we hope you do, they'll set up a 14-day free trial for you to create as many games as you want and to play around the tool to your heart's desire. That's it. One demo and one free trial. And then it's up to you. We won't hound you. We won't call you. Who likes calls anyway? You've heard about game-based learning and you know it works. So why not give it a try? We think you'll like what you see.